Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is this adorable card. I absolutely adore it. You know when you I've made a good one? That's how I feel. You all might hate it, but if you don't, let me know in the comments below. So this, nearly dropped it. This card is super cute and it's using a colour that I don't use very often. And yet I've got a stockpile of the cardstock, so I'm glad to be using it. And that's Sahara Sand. It's just this lovely khaki colour. Well, it's not even khaki. It's like a sand colour, as the name would suggest. Isn't it pretty? So as I said, I don't use it often, so this is super exciting for me. We're using the Forever Lovely stamp set, which is available currently in the Spring Summer catalogue, but is carrying over to the annual 2019 to 2020. How exciting. So let's move that out of the way and pour this over. So as I said, standard size 6 size card base in Sahara Sand, and then I've got a piece of Very Vanilla, and that measures 10.5 by 10.5 by 7, and then all I did was I made a mark at 7 centimeters and 10.5, and then just lined them up in my trimmer and trimmed down. Simple. And that's just going to sit on the card like so. So this is when I need to find a pencil. Here it is. So I've got one of my Magic Mayhem pencils. If you join my team, you get this in your little kit. And all I'm going to do is line up where I want it, so around there, and just do a little pencil mark, like so. That's just so I know where I need to be stamping. So I'm going to bring in, I say so a lot, Sahara Sand. Okay. And with this sunset, the leaves coordinate with these flowers, so they line up. So I'm going to bring in the leaves to start with, ink them up in Sahara Sand ink, and then I'm just going to stamp this down. Like so. As soon as I'm happy with the positioning, like so. I suggest you do the Sahara Sand first before the rest, just purely because of the colour. And then I'm going to bring in the flowers, and I'm going to stamp them in Sahara Sand as well. So we just have this little tonal effect on the bottom. Make sure that's inked up. And then I'm just going to freeball it. Like so. So we have that cute little detail right there at the bottom. So that can go to one side for now. And we're going to bring in our piece of vanilla. I'm just going to quickly scooch over and give my stamps a clean on my stamping scrub. And this is when we're going to bring in 2 colours available in the same colour family. That is the Regal collection, and that's Old Olive, a very old favourite, and Rich Razzleberry. I remember when this colour came out, and it came out in a pack of 3. I think it came out with Crushed Curry, and I don't remember the other one, but I love them. Beautiful. Oh, Melamumbo. There we go. So I would always go with the leaves first. So I'm going to stamp the leaves in the Old Olive. And I'm just going to do it at a slight angle, like so. Okay. And then I always recommend you fill in the flowers before you move on to the next piece of Old Olive. So ink them up, position them down. Oh no. Okay, take two. Just in case you missed that, what I did was I accidentally inked my flowers in Sahara sand. So, as you can see, it's not a good look. So take two, let's do this again. So ink up the flowers in Old Olive. And that's the right way. And rich raspberry. Definitely going to do it right this time, I promise. Bring in the rich raspberry and just fill that out like so. Again, I'm just balling it so I have that freedom, so I can position it. However, please feel free to use the stamp apparatus if that's the item that you most desire. So bringing that down here like so. So I don't need to stamp that flower yet because I know that's going to, I'm not going to do any more stamping there, so I know I'm safe. And if I just do some here, like so, I can then go back with a rich raspberry and just finish it off. I don't want the lines. Hold on. No, it's not picking up ink. There we go. Line it up. Stamp it down. And there you have that completed. So I'm going to put the rich raspberry away because I'm satisfied with how much of that colour we have. However, I am going to bring in the Old Olive and a teeny tiny leaf that you have in the pack. And I'm just going to fill some of the empty spaces. So I'm happy with that, and then that can go away also. So the sentiment is going to be, I'll love you until the day after forever. So I had a anniversary card in mind when I was creating this card. Not that I'm going to personally use it for an anniversary card. I'm too busy finding insultive ones to send to my partner, because sometimes they need a reminder that it's more of a job tolerating them than loving them. However, if you do love your partner unbelievably, send them this card, they'll love it. So that's all done. That's going to go on top of our card like so. Just knock that over and grab our dimensionals. As well as you're going to need to get your perfect pearls ready. Ink it up. Like so. And then using the edge of the card, like that, can just line it on. Okay, and just to finish off, like I said, you'll need your pearls. I've got here, and all I'm going to do is grab one of the big ones, and pop it down, and a sneaky pearl, and accompany that with a little one. Okay, where's my take a picture tool? It's this will be easier. So, large one there. Another large one down by the sentiment. And another one. The other side. And a little one. Little one, and then just a few more little ones just dotted in. The empty spaces. This is when you need nails. All the ladies out there, you have the easy nails to use. There we go, and that's today's card. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below, where you can see a full list of the items used, as well as links to my online shop for you to purchase them for yourself. While you're down there, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and why not share to your social media so everybody can have a look at this card and see how easy it is to make. I'll see you around. Bye.